I feel fine. I look fine. I am fine. Period. My name is Stephanie Animated and welcome to my channel. I just love doing Valentine's Day looks, and I was like, you know what, let me record a Valentine's Day makeup look. I try to record every year. Sometimes I don't, but I just love recording Valentine's Day content, especially like makeup. So without further ado, hop into the video. I'm gonna start with my brows. My brows are kind of hard for me sometimes. It's easy when I have them arched. I mean, not arched, but when they're waxed. But they're like waxed right now. So with that being said, I have to kind of like, you know, make them look presentable or decent. And I have very like sparse hair. Like I have very sparse eyebrows, so I kind of have to make my brows look the same way. So yeah, I'm not gonna stop doing that section, but I will record. It will be recorded, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm using or whatever. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna do like a little bit of underpainting. So with that being said, I have hyperpigmented skin, or I have like, you know, acne scars and all that. So I'm going to like conceal a little under, you know, I want it to be like a flawless look, and I know that's gonna like show my, I know my posture gonna show through if I don't conceal beforehand. So I'm gonna do that. I'm using my Morphe C465 concealer. I want to be honest, sometimes it's not as easy. Oh my goodness, I didn't prime my face. Oh my goodness. It's too late to go back. So what I'm gonna do is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my Urban Decay, spray my Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. Hopefully this will do something. I'm gonna go under my eyes with this Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. Yes, I still do like the little triangle. I know some people do like their like it's like this new way, new technique people use where they apply concealer right here. They apply it at the beginning and they apply their concealer at the end and the beginning of their eye. That's just not me. I like being extra. So I don't know. I just feel like you go hard, you go home. I always try to go hard and go home. So I'm trying to get in my eye a little bit. I'm gonna try to go in here. I think I saw some on TikTok. People be doing this. They be going in all the way in there. Honestly, I don't like how this looks. So I'm going with my Juvia's Place concealer. I'm applying a teeny weeny amount. I just feel like it's all blended together, or maybe I'm just overthinking it. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going in with this. Just, you know, if you don't know what underpainting is, it's like when you apply like contour, highlight, and everything first. Like you apply like cream stuff first, and then you let your foundation. Then you put your foundation over. It's supposed to be like it's supposed to give like a flawless look. I didn't feel like doing the cream blush, so I only underpainted with my concealer. Like I didn't feel like doing a blush or the contour. For my foundation, I've been using this REVLON Color Stay foundation, and I actually used their this is the normal for normal and dry skin. They have like a normal and dry skin, and they have like combination oily. I mainly use combination oily. I think it has like the black top. It's like a clear top, but I don't know. I hope it's not a big deal. I really hope it is, because I mean, look, I don't think anything is worse than me for getting a prime. So yeah. Y'all see how it looks? This is pretty. I'm not done, but this is nice. I like this. It's giving skin to me. It's giving skin. I'm gonna apply a little more too. I've been doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having that timing. But I was gonna contour and bronze up my face. So contour, I'm using this Revolution Glow Rat Bronzer. This is in dark. I'm gonna further bronze with Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mami. With the same bronze, I'm I'm gonna bronze my nose or contour my nose. I got this idea from I Am Shelly. I'm gonna try to, I think she did this and then she went down like this. Oh, that looks pretty. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna take a little bit, do the brow. I think I'm doing the brow. I think I'm going too far down my brows. Okay, that looks pretty. Wow, that looks really pretty. I like that. I'm gonna set my whole face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. With that same blender, I'm gonna put some of this on a sponge. SEPHORA MICROSMOOTH stuff. And I'm just gonna set my whole face. Okay, so I'm kind of freestyling my eye look. I may not talk while I'm doing it because I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing. But I'm just gonna play some music when I do my eye look because yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. So I don't wanna mess up. I don't wanna have performance anxiety. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take a wipe or something and take this off over my brows. I mean my you know what? I'm gonna try to do an eye and see how I look because see, I applied my eyeshadow primer and it came out kind of streaky, like patchy on my eyelid. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do the look and see. You know what? This look is crying. Well, I say crying. This look is low-key growing on me. I actually like this. I think I'm trying to like this look. My eyes start watering. I may not do lashes. My eyes started watering. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. I'm taking this blush from ColourPop. It's like their Valentine's Day collection. It's called Love Me Not. Yeah, I feel like an idiot because at first I thought this was a pink. I mean, I thought it was a red, but it's actually a pink. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it like the apples of my cheeks. Tell me if you want me to, yeah. If you thought I'd stay honest, boy, 'cause all I think I want to do like a. I'm going with this highlighter palette is from Careless Beauty. My sister got it for me. I think she got it for me like at a hair show. I'm going to highlight with this color right here. It's called Topaz. And it's described as a soft brown. Y'all see my eyes watering. That's why I might not do lashes. But I am gonna try to I want to do some under my eye too. It's gonna water in because I feel like when you do like under eye stuff, it make it look like a lot better. Right now, I like how that pink, you know, it kind of about to look together. It may look more Valentine's-y, more Valentine's Day friendly or whatever. I'm trying to figure out what lip color I want to do. I don't know if I want to do like the Ginger Snap from NYX or like this pinkish nude that I got from Pat McGrath, or like this lip color I got from my cousin called not called the Bum. It's from the line called the Bum. I don't know. I might use my Pat McGrath lipstick because it's never been featured on my channel like that. Like I've never used a tutorial on here. So I'm gonna spray my Urban Decay All Nighter spray before I get started on my lips. This is how that looks. It's very soft, easy to put on. It doesn't feel like anything's on my lips really. There we are. Okay, now I'm liking it. I like the little gloss add on top of the matte look. I feel fine. I look fine. I am fine. Period. So Valentine's Day will be Monday, and I'm single, like I said. Probably chilling with my friends and family. I ordered the outfit. I'm supposed to be doing like a get ready with me. I may or may not do this look, but since I know, like, since I played around with this look, you know, I kind of know how to do it. I may do this look, but I really want to do like a get ready with me. I don't still know what I want to do to my hair, but I do know what outfit I'm wearing. I got my outfit from Shein, like this really pretty outfit that I got from Shein. I can't wait to show you guys. But like when it comes to my hair, I think I'm gonna do like a something like this. I want to do like a flexi rod set, but I may not. Yeah, I may not. I'm still trying to figure out how, you know, what I want to do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have a blessed day, and see you guys later. I wish I had a time machine. Hey me. Hey girl, you did it. Makeup nice. You passed the no flashback test. Look at you popping. Trying to snatch a thumbnail or whatever. I think I'm gonna do it with the teddy bear. Yeah, I think I'm doing with my teddy bear. What y'all think? I think I should do it with my teddy bear. That's just cute. I think that'll go off, bruh.